Have you ever felt like you were meant to do more, but you're stuck in the same routine day after day? We were there too, and we knew we wanted something that gave us more time, more freedom, and aligned with our Christian values, but we didn't know where to start. Then we discovered a simple digital system that allowed us to learn, grow, and build something meaningful, step by step.
Now we wake up every day with purpose, clarity, and a community of others doing the same. There's real mentorship and a business roadmap. If you have been praying, planning, or even procrastinating, this might be the moment you've been waiting for. If you're coachable, teachable, and willing to create a business that works for you, click the link below to join a free 90-minute online workshop that you will learn how this works and also to get yourself started.
Click the link below and reserve your seat now. www.sarahkarayuki.net. This is your time to thrive. God bless you.